Today is June 11th. The year is 20. We have a Kenmore Elite Series refrigerator with the French door style. And the complaint was both sides, refrigerator and freezer, not cold. 1 year after the warranty. And we had a repairman come out and they disconnected the power in the back, meaning unplugged from the wall for say 10 minutes, plug it back, and then the unit's working. So this is the question: do we have a bat starter relay? What do we have? Do we have a compressor that wants to fail when it wants to fail? Intermittent failure? What other items can cause this? So this is the question. And the model number is 795.73165.610. And right now it's working great. We have -4 on the bottom for the freezer in Fahrenheit and 35 for Fahrenheit for the regular refrigerator.
That's the second time.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. This is not the first time. This is the second time. The second time it just worked by itself? Yeah. Nobody unplugged?
No, nobody unplugged.
Okay.
Just cleaning and I leave it like that because I waited for this because I call it a Sears and they say they're gonna come like in 5 days they're gonna come.